Hello friends, today we will discuss about the Spring real-time questions. So first question is like what is meant by Spring? Spring is open source development framework. It's a lightweight and it's easy to develop web-based applications and with the help of the simple Pojo programming model. So next question is like what is the key benefits of the Spring? Spring having is a lightweight component and it will support the IOC and aspect-oriented programming. And the Spring having the Spring container, it will support the MVC framework and transaction management and exception handling. These are the key benefits of the Spring framework. So next question is like what are the different modules on the Spring framework? One is like a core module, bean module, context module, expression language module, JDBC module, ORM module, OXM module, JMS module, and the transaction module. Web module, web servlet module, web struts module, and web portlet module. Next question like what is mean by Spring configuration file? Spring configuration file is the XML file. This file contains the classes information and the description how these classes are configured and introduced to each other. What is meant by dependency injection? So dependency injection is like it can be used in IOC where one object is will be injected into the other object. So with the help of the dependency injection we can able to do. So next question is like what are the different types of IOC? There are two types of IOC available like a constructor based dependency injections and a setter based dependency injections. Constructor based dependency injection is invokes a class constructor with a number of arguments, each represented dependency on other class. So here, if we take in a constructor itself, what are the dependency classes, we can uh, put it into the arguments, and we can based on that we can inject those dependency objects into the constructor. So setter based injection is like calling the setter methods on your bean after invoking the no argument constructor and no argument static factory methods to instance your bean. This is nothing but like in a setter based injections where if you want to inject one bean to the other bean, uh, so with the help of the if you want to invoke any bean on method call with the help of the setter method injection, we can able to inject the inject into the method parameters so that whenever method calls that related dependency will be loaded automatically. Which dependency injections would you suggest, constructor based injection or setter based injection? Since you can mix both constructor and setter based injection dependency injection, it's a good rule of thumb to use constructor argument for mandatory dependencies and setters for optional dependencies. Note that you use the required annotation on a setter can be used to make a setters required to require dependencies.